season's changing, I always like to change up my stuff. So I picked up this Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Retinol Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen, SPF 30. Try saying that 100 times. I've been using this for 2 weeks. I like that it's a pump bottle and the application is really easy. And what I really like is the cream feels lightweight. It is not heavy or greasy. After the 2 weeks, my skin is definitely smoother and more refreshed. I do like the SPF 30 being built in, so I can only use one product instead of having to layer multiple creams under my makeup if I so choose. This does absorb quickly, and it worked very well under my makeup with no shine or that piling up look. So 2 weeks, consistent use, my skin is smoother and brighter. And I think I attribute that to the combo of the retinol, the hyaluronic acid, and the SPF in one product. This one is a definite no-brainer for me, an easy choice for daily use, and I'm going to continue using it as both my anti-aging and my morning sunscreen. I do highly recommend.